Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually repair your bow. So now I'm using the 1.18 version. If you have any other version, it will still work for you. I will show you every single method that will help you in every single version of Minecraft. So please watch my video step by step, and hopefully by the end you will be able to fix all your tools, not only your bow. So now for the sake of this video, I'm using the 1.18 version. And now let's get ahead and click on single player and open your word that you have your tools or your bow exactly and it's broken. For example, I'm using this word. Let's get and open to LAN, allow sheet, and let's have game mode on so we can get our items. Something like that. And let's get our bow and some arrows, just like so. Let's get some bottle of XP. And we need mending and another bow, just like so. And now let's get it back to game mode, survival. Now let's make our bow kind of broken so we can see that it is fixed. Something like that will work. Let's keep throwing arrows and try to make it look a little bit broken, just you can see it. Something like that will work for us, I think. Yeah, something like that will completely work for us, guys. Now what you can do is you have to get an anvil. For the sake of this video, we need completely an anvil to make it work. So now the anvil actually exists in every single version of Minecraft, so you will have no problem. Now how can we repair it? Well, there is two ways. The first way, which is the normal way that will work in any version of Minecraft, which is having two bows. One of them is broken and one of them is fully fixed. You can just do something like so, like that, and it will be fixed using some XP. The second method also will work in every single version of Minecraft, which is adding two bows in your crafting table and it will be fixed. The second way, which is having a mending enchanting in your bow, just like so, and by getting XP and having your bow in your arm, just like doing so, your bow will be fixed and you will not have any problem with your bow anymore or any tools of yours. So that was today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.